Hi there, and welcome to the Contabo channel. I'm Sabina, and in today's tutorial, I will show you how to check the status of your Contabo order. Whether you've just purchased a new server or another Contabo product, I will guide you through the steps to track your order and know when it's ready. Let's get started. Once you've placed an order with Contabo, you can check your order status by following these steps. Open the order status page via this link. Enter your email address, the same one you used when making your purchase. Enter your order ID, which was emailed to you after completing your purchase. Click Submit to view the current status of your order. This is the easiest way to stay up to date on your order's progress. The time it takes to provision your server depends on a few different factors. The best way to monitor progress is by regularly checking the order status page. Once your order is ready, you'll receive an email with the subject line Your Login Data. Tip: make sure to check the correct email inbox and don't forget to look in your spam folder in case the email was filtered. If you've ordered an AMD Ryzen dedicated server, we have a dedicated page where you can find real-time status updates. The link to this page is provided in the video description. And that's it. Now you know how to check your order status, stay updated on provisioning times, and track AMD Ryzen dedicated server orders. Use the correct email and order ID to check your status. Keep an eye on your email inbox and spam folder for your login details. Check the dedicated status page for AMD Ryzen server orders. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!